The human immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against pathogens, which are disease-causing microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. The immune system has several mechanisms to identify, neutralize, and eliminate these pathogens, thereby protecting the body from infection. While there are many intricacies to how the immune system functions, I'll provide a simplified overview of its key components and their roles. Innate immune system. The innate immune system is the body's first line of defense against pathogens. It provides immediate, non-specific responses to a wide range of pathogens. Key components of the innate immune system include: A. Physical and chemical barriers. The skin and mucous membranes act as physical barriers, preventing the entry of pathogens. Various secretions, such as tears, saliva, and stomach acid, also possess antimicrobial properties. B. Phagocytes. These are specialized cells, including neutrophils and macrophages, which engulf and destroy pathogens through a process called phagocytosis. C. Natural killer, NK, cells. NK cells can identify and destroy infected cells and cancer cells in the body. D. Inflammatory response. When tissues are injured or infected, the innate immune system triggers inflammation, which helps recruit immune cells to the site of infection and promotes healing. Adaptive immune system. The adaptive immune system is a highly specialized defense mechanism that develops throughout life. It provides pathogen-specific responses and immunological memory. Key components of the adaptive immune system include: A. Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes, including B cells and T cells, are the primary cells of the adaptive immune system. B cells produce antibodies that recognize and neutralize specific pathogens, while T cells directly destroy infected cells. B. Antigen presentation. Antigen-presenting cells, such as dendritic cells, engulf pathogens, process them, and present their antigens to T cells, initiating a specific immune response. C. Antibodies. Antibodies, also known as immunoglobulins, are proteins produced by B cells. They bind to specific antigens on pathogens, marking them for destruction by other immune cells. D. Cell-mediated immunity. T cells play a vital role in cell-mediated immunity by recognizing and eliminating infected or abnormal cells directly. Immunological memory. One of the remarkable features of the adaptive immune system is its ability to remember previous encounters with pathogens. After an initial infection or vaccination, specialized cells called memory cells are formed. These memory cells enable a faster and more robust immune response upon subsequent exposure to the same pathogen, leading to quicker elimination of the infection. It's important to note that the immune system is a dynamic and highly regulated system, and its proper functioning depends on a delicate balance. Imbalances or dysfunctions in the immune system can lead to various conditions, including autoimmune diseases, where the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells, or immunodeficiencies, where the immune system is impaired, leading to increased susceptibility to infections. Understanding the intricacies of the immune system has paved the way for advancements in medical science, such as vaccines, immunotherapies, and targeted therapies, which aim to enhance immune responses or modulate immune activity to combat diseases more effectively.